So how do you allow documents to be downloaded on the iPad Air or essentially any iPad? Let's begin. So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials which are definitely going to help you out. Well, at first, I would go to the settings app of the iPad, check out the apps at the bottom and find the Safari. So what we need to do is to check out the downloads and make sure that the location is set up properly, right? So make sure you set it to the on my iPad or cloud or even others, but just know where your documents are actually going to end up after you download them. Now, in order to download the actual documents, all you have to do is go to the website where you need to get them from, right? So you go to like Safari or whatever, and there you'll be able to see, like, I'm gonna just download a file example, like a sample PDF, but you'll be able to see right here that when I go and click on the download folder, I mean, it might open it up either in the full page or it might ask me to just save it as a download, right? But if it opens up like a full page, click on the share button, which will then allow you to click on a save to files, right? And there you can see that we get to pick the downloads folder. It's going to show up by default and it is going to be saved in there as a file, right? So we can do it this way. As I said, it also might work the way that it like downloads directly, so you will not be able to like click on share or whatever, but this is the way how you can download the documents, right? So again, you can show it up, make it show up like this, click on share, tap on more options and make sure you select the save to files, right? And the default location, as I said, that we have chosen is going to show up right here. So it will by default go to the downloads folder because I have it selected that way, right? But this is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your iPad. In case of any questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.